Hi guys, this is Sam from Superkilometerfilter, and today I'm installing a superkilometer in a Hyundai Ioniq with head-up display together with you. But before we start, here's some important information. Here are all the advantages and disadvantages of this product. Read them carefully so that you know exactly what to expect. Here you can see exactly what options are available and what is included in your package. Here we show you all the tools you need for the installation. The version with head-up display only requires 2 hands for installation. This is how the blocker is activated, and these are the modes that are available with this mileage stopper. The installation starts. Look in the footwell for the plug shown in the video. Disconnect the plug behind the box and plug our wiring harness between the box and the removed plug. You need a little bit of fingertip feeling for this, as you can't see the back of the box at all. With a little patience, however, this is not a problem. Once the installation is complete, you can activate the Superkilometerfilter. Use our SKF Speed APP version 2 or the key combination we will show you now. But first, connect the APP to your Bluetooth module. Once you have done this, you can select the individual modes. There is a small light on the box that gives you a visual feedback of which mode has just been selected. The lamp flashes in the number of the mode you are in. You can also set other things in the app. You can assign a name to your vehicle, count the kilometers driven, choose between kilometers and miles, and choose between dark and light mode. If you want a detailed explanation of all the functions of the app, I can recommend the linked video. In the video, we explain each function individually. So, that's it. If you liked the video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.